everybody, welcome to today's episode of Drunken Sailor. Just wait one before we start. I got to do something here. Azul. Okay, let's get started. Today we are going to make, Kim, what are we going to make today, Kim?
An Autumn Sidecar.
An Autumn Sidecar. All right, folks, this is a great cocktail. It's cognac based. So with that, we're going to start with 2 ounces of cognac. That goes in the glass. Next, we are going to use 2 ounces of apple cider. That's the autumn part. Next, 1 ounce of orange juice. Final ingredient in there is going to be 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Lemon juice, that's actually about 1/2 of a lemon, and we're going to squeeze that fresh because
fresh is always best.
Fresh is always best. That goes in there. Now we're going to add some ice. That's going to get a good shake. We're going to take a nice coupe glass and strain. We will garnish with a lemon twist, and that is the Autumn Sidecar. And
hello.
Hi there.
Very nice.
What'd you say?
I said, very nice.
That's our Autumn Sidecar. Remember, folks, if you like it, don't forget to subscribe. Drunken Sailor on YouTube or KM Spinell on TikTok. Remember, drink responsibly.